Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and I'm very excited to share this idea with all of you because also I'm using all the material that I have left but now making this incredible idea. I had so many colors so I decided to use all of them. I hope that you like the combinations, and as you could see this time I'm using these triangle crannies. It's a new version. I wanted to make it different and transform it into a blouse. But well, I invite all of you to subscribe. Remember that it's completely free. I will give you the material list and then the step by step. So please stay tuned till the end. Don't forget to give me a like and hope you enjoyed it. Well, approximately we are going to make 55 triangles like this one, and I will use different colors. I will use the weight yarn. It's number 3. It's a light material. I will use the different colors and then 200 grams as a base. My base will be in black color, okay, but you can use the color that you want, and we will use the hook of 3 millimeters. Well, here I will show you all the crannies that I will make. In this case are not the square cranny that we used to. In this case I tried to change a little bit and make these triangle crannies, and we will start exactly the same. We will start by the center. We will take one thread, and with our hook we will start making chains. First we are going to make 5. Then we are going to close in circle. We are going to slip one. Then we will go up with 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And inside we are going to make 3 double crochet. And counting the first chains that we made, at the end we will have a segment with 4 double crochet, right? Like these segments, we are going to make 3. Between them, we are going to make 3 chains. So again, the second segment, 4 double crochet, and we will make a last segment. At the end we will have 3. So look, here I have 3 segments. At the end we are going to finish with 3 chains, and we are going to slip one to close. Okay, so these are the 3 sides of the triangle, right? Then we are going to slip until the first space at the end of this segment. Then from here we will go up with 3 chains, and well, here inside in this space we are going to make together 2 segments. So remember, each segment has 4 double crochet, and between segments 3 chains. Again we are going to make a second segment, so here we have 2, 3 and 4 double crochet. We are going to make then 2 chains, and we will go right to the next space and make again 2 segments together, okay, with 4 double crochet each, and like this in all the corners. And remember, in the sides we put 2 chains, and in the corners 3 chains, okay? So here we are going to finish with 2 chains. We are going to slip one to close the row, and now we are going to slip until the first space, and we are going to respect where we have the corners. We are going to continue making 2 segments together with 3 double crochet between them. Okay, so here in this space we are going to make it double, I mean 2 segments together with 3 chains between. So here is the second segment, and in the sides we are going to make 2 chains between, and 2, and right away we are going to the next space, and here only like its side we are going to make 1 segment only in the corners we are going to make it double. Well, then 2 chains, and we will go right to the corner, and we are going to make the corner double. Like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. Okay, remember that between segments in the corner we are going to make 3 chains, and in the sides we are going to make 2 chains. Okay, and each segment will have 4 double crochet. So like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. Well, here we finished. This was the the third row, right? So we are going to finish with 2 chains, and we are going to slip 1 to close. But I will show you a trick. We are going to cut. I will take the hook out and with all the thread, then I will insert the hook in the other side where we are supposed to slip 1 to close, and we are going to take the thread with us and then come back where we made the last stitch, and like this we won't create any sign that we close the row right here, and it perfectly blends. I don't know if you could tell. At the end we are going to hide this thread with the embroidery needle if you want. Like this triangle we are going to make more, okay? Just quick, I will show you how we are going to use the embroidery needle. I suggest that you make it right away because later you will be lazy to hide all the threads. So what I do is that first I put the thread inside the embroidery needle, and sometimes first I hide the embroidery needle through the project, and then I put the thread inside the eye. But in this case I leave the thread shorter, so that's why I'm doing like this. So well, we finished to hide this thread, and see you later. Well, here I did finish to hide it, that I'm ready to cut, and I will cut the rest. Well, like these triangles with 3 rows each, we are going to make more, okay, in different colors following your own combinations, and you will use these triangles to make vest, to make a blanket, even many things, okay? But in this case we are going to make a blouse. With this granny, as a sample, you are also going to calculate the size. In this case I'm making a medium size, so I will make 50 or 55 triangles. At the end I will tell you. Look how many I made in different colors. Okay, yes, I made 50, okay? It was so easy to make them. I found this technique very easy, and now we are ready to join them. First we are going to complete 1 triangle. We are going to make all around a single crochet row with the color that we choose, okay? In this case my base is black, so first I will make a single crochet all around. I will stop right here because before we continue, I invite all of you to make your own combination. In this case, like I have a lot of colors, I will decide which color will go next to it, and so, okay? So here next to the gray I will put this pink, right? And I told you to make a single crochet row, but I think that instead we are going to make a row with half double crochet. So we are going to make 1 half double crochet over each double crochet. Here in the corner we are going to make 2 half double crochet in the space, then 3 chains, and we'll make these chains in the corners because when we join them we are going to create the shape of a flower. You will see. So again, in the space we are going to make 2 half double crochet. Here we have 1, then 2, and then we are going to continue making half double crochet over the double crochet. So here we have 2, 3, and 4. Then inside the space we are going to make 2 half double crochet, then again half double crochet over double crochet. Remember that only in the corner is where we are going to make the 2 half double crochet, 3 chains and 2 half double crochet, okay, to keep with the shape of the corner. And like this, first we are going to complete one triangle the whole row, and then I will show you how we are going to join with the last row. Well, here imagine that we have completed the row, right? So we complete only one side, and right here in the corner we are going to make only the half part of the segment of the corner. Then we are going to insert the hook right in the joint of the extra chains that we made. So we are going to slip one and then make 2 chains and come back and complete the segment, 2 half double crochet inside, and then we are going to continue half double crochet over double crochet. We are going to make 4 like this. Then inside this space we are going to make 1 half double crochet, then we are going to the other side and we will insert the hook right here in the middle, and like this is how we are going to go in order. Well, then without making any chain or so, we are going to continue with the stitch. So here we are going to make and complete this segment, and completing the row, making half double crochet. We are going to make half double crochet over double crochet, then 1 half double crochet in this space, then right here in the middle of the other granny we are going to insert the hook and come back to complete the row. 2 half double crochet, then half double crochet over double crochet, and then in the corner we are going to make this 2 half double crochet, then 2 chains. We will insert the hook right here in the corner. We are going to slip one, then 2 chains, and we are going to come back and now complete the row. Well, and like this is how we are going to continue. We are going to make and join more triangles like this one until we have a long strip of triangles, and this long strip of triangles has to go all around the wide of her hip, okay? So for example, if I want to close it right here, probably I will put a extra triangle and then close it. The same way we are going to join more triangles, okay? We are going to make our own combination. I suggest that you place them, use some markers, and then see and follow the shape of the triangle so the triangle can perfectly fit, okay? So for example, I will put one here. Please check also that you face all the triangles to the right side. It's very important. And like this you are going to continue join them the same way I show you, okay? All the triangles I will make and join more, and I will show you. Look, I did continue, I joined more. As I told you, here we are going to create a kind of flower. I love how it looks, the joint. Look how many I joined, and for example each strip has 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. No, I'm sorry, 14 triangles each strip, okay? Then I made like this one 3. This is the long that I want, this is the long that I like, and then I made the straps also with the triangles. And well, if you want, you can make it shorter, or you can make the straps or with only chains and double crochet like you want, okay? In this case I wanted to make also the straps with triangles, and we have to place 2 triangles right in the middle, so we have to calculate and count, and from there to the top, we will go up joining more triangles until we get the length of the straps that we want. Okay, and then from the other side we are going to join them in the back. And well, remember that while you make the triangles and you join, please hide all the threads that you may have, and please check that you have all triangles facing to the right side. Well, let's continue joining. Well, here I put in the mannequin so you can tell better how it looks. I will try on my daughter so I can see how it looks. Probably here I will try to adjust and make a single crochet row to reduce a little bit, because it seems to have create a hole right there because it's a little bit loose, but it will depend, okay, according to the size and to the chest and everything. But before you make that decision, try on. Here in the back I decided to cross these straps because I want to join them and placing and joining the sides of the triangles. So that's why I cross them, so the shape and the sides of the triangle can perfectly fit with the part of the blouse. Okay, if you want, you can put a cord here or you can put a bottom. You will decide how you want to join them. And we are going to hide all the threads. We are going to iron. I will try it on my daughter and I will see if I have to reduce more or no. I won't make any extra row, okay? I won't make any extra detail. I think it's enough with the colors and with the shape. I think that it's enough. Well, now let's see how it looks. Well, I love the idea. I use all the material that I have left. I love the combinations. I love that I use all the colors. I hope that you also enjoy making this blouse with me. This is how it looks on my daughter. She loves it, and I'm sure that you will love to make it too. I invite all of you to subscribe before you go. Remember that it's completely free. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.